Yibunei HaMikdash Hirtzio inte malai Okor les ozman.
Welcome to our channel. If this is your first time here, please consider subscribing. Also, please like, share, comment, and if you haven't already, hit the bell button for updates. Every Friday, Rabbi Kolakowski, affectionately known as the Koblenzer Rebbe, shares a teaching from his holy ancestor Rabbi Judah Loew, the saintly Maharal of Prague. In this week's video, we learn about the investiture of the high priest Aaron in the tabernacle in the Bible. Let's watch.
All right, Bruchim Abayim, welcome everyone. We plan to release this on Friday. Today's Thursday, so we'll release this tomorrow. We are in the book of Exodus, chapter 28, and every Friday we try to learn something from my holy ancestor, the Maharal of Prague, in his Sefer Gur Aryeh or one of his other Sfarim. Exodus 28 begins, V'ato hakreiv eleches Aharon ochicha v'zbanav ito mitoch b'nei Yisrael echahano li Aharon Nadav avihu Elazar v'samar b'nei Aharon v'asisa v'gdei kodesh l'Aharon ochicha l'chavod l'sifares. And thou shalt bring near unto thee Aaron thy brother and his sons with him from among the children of Israel, that they may minister unto me in the priest's office, even Aaron, Nadab, and Abihu, Elazar, and Ithamar, Aaron's sons. And thou shalt make holy garments for Aaron thy brother, for splendor and for beauty. The next verse, which is our verse that we are commenting on, is verse 3. Vato Tidarel kol chachmei leiv Hashem leisif ruach chochma b'asu es bigdei Aharon l'kadsho chahano li. Thou shalt speak unto all that are wise-hearted, whom I have filled with the spirit of wisdom, that they may make Aaron's garments to sanctify him, that he may minister unto me in the priest's office. So, we first, of course, always look at Rashi. Again, Rashi, there's only one Rashi on this verse, Exodus 28:3, L'kadsho l'chahano li, to sanctify him, that to make him into a priest for me is the literal l'chahano, that he should serve as a priest, but also it's to investiture and to appoint him and to ordain him as a priest unto me. L'kadsho, meaning to sanctify him, lachnisoi b'kohuna, to enter him into the priesthood, to install him into the priesthood, to ordain him into the priesthood. Al yedei abagodim. How is this accomplished? Through the vestments. Shehei choinli, through putting these garments unto Aaron. That's how he became a priest. Meaning, before that, he was not a priest. Now, the priesthood is hereditary. But that original priesthood had to be appointed and ordained. That's why there was the whole question about Phineas, about Pinchas, whether he was a priest or not, because he was born after his father, Pinchas ben Elazar ben Aaron HaKohen, after his father Elazar had been ordained as a priest, and so Phineas had to later be ordained after he wrought his zealotry. But subsequently, all priests remain priests in a hereditary sense. So it says, Al yedei begodim sheikhayenli, that through the vestments, through the garments, he becomes a priest unto me, Lashon kahuna sherisu. And this term kahuna, priesthood, means ministry, service, centreya, belaz, that's serventre in Old French. It's a term of service. So in this verse, we see that we sanctify him to become a priest to me. Rashi says, "La'achnisa b'chuna al yedei begodim," that he's entered into the priesthood through the vestments. So says my holy ancestor, the Maharal Prague, perish. It means this is what's written to sanctify him and to make him into a priest. L'kahanoli, in order that he may minister unto me. V'ein inyan kedusha rak sheyeh, v'ein inyan hakedusha rak sheyeh kohen. So this whole concept of the holiness that he has is that he should be a priest. Now, if that's the case, why do we have this superfluous language to say to sanctify him and to priestify him, right? That he may serve as a priest to me, minister unto me in the priest's office, is how the JPS 1917 renders it. Alahachi Perusho. So says my holy ancestor, the Maharal Prague, this is how we explain it. Lekadsho, to sanctify him, lachnisa b'kahuna, to enter him into the priesthood. V'zeu kedushaso, and this is his sanctity, this is his holiness, lechahanoli. And then when it says lechahanoli, to minister unto me in the priest's office as a priest, it's a loy Mashiach acher kach kohen li, that after he has entered into this office, then he will serve me as a priest. Because after he entered in the priesthood, that after he was entered into the priesthood, then he is worthy that he should subsequently serve this worship service as the worship leader, as the priest, and through the avoda, through the sacrificial cult. Lefiza lekadsho, according to this, the meaning of to sanctify him, halachnasase lekahuna, through his entry into the priesthood, ulechahano, and to serve as a priest, that he will serve me as a priest subsequently. That's the meaning of this verse, where it says both to sanctify him and to serve me as a kohen, as a priest, meaning to say the sanctification is what made him a priest, and once he is a priest, he will be able to do the service of the priesthood. It's not just the graduation, it's the beginning of a service. And it's very fascinating, though, even though the Maharal does not explain this, but just simply how Rashi says this, that it's through putting on the vestments that he becomes a priest. And even to this day, we see, for example, other religions, they put the vestments on the priest, but in our religion, a man really becomes a man when he's married, and it's customary to treat him like a king and to put the clothing on him, but there's also a priestly aspect of that. And so when we put the kittel in the Ashkenazic tradition on the groom, it is along these lines of entering him into a new state through this. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment, and have a good Shabbos, everybody. Love you. Take care. All right, how do I turn this thing off, this one?
We hope you enjoyed this content. This channel has over 5,000 videos, including Torah commentary, podcasts, footage of Jewish and historical events, and much more. We are sure you will find more videos you will enjoy. Please like, share, subscribe, hit the bell button, and comment. Rabbi Kolakowski often makes videos based on questions in the comment section, so you might have a video made just for you. By helping this channel grow, you are helping to spread Torah. God bless.
Yibnei HaMikdash, Hirtzia in the Maharal.